Break free from the pattern of unimaginative spaces with the Tessellate collection from Kire. 5 innovative new products to help you shape up the style, sustainability, and acoustics of any project. This collection features a unique set of peaks, valleys, points, planes, and polygons that deliver impressive acoustic absorption and stunning visual impact, with endless room for creative expression. Starting with the Tessellate Baffle, which traps rogue sound waves in a triangulation of PET planes. Add an acute sense of style and sustainability to any high-ceiling space with its patent-pending design. For superior acoustic control in large or tall spaces, look no further than the Tessellate Pendant, the perpendicular partner to the baffle. Hang pendants as a focal point in free-form groups or a strategic grid of straight lines. Now integrating acoustics with lighting and hiding unsightly building mechanics has never been easier. Bring a new level of tactility and light play to any wall with Tessellate texture tiles. At 24 millimeters thick, this tile boasts one of our highest acoustic performances to date. There's also Tessellate dash tiles, which allow you to mix and match placement and pigments to create walls that pop or recede as you please. You can even combine complementary colors and prints across the tile's layers to add visual power to acoustic performance. And finally, the Polygon Cloud ascends the look and sound of your space from every possible angle. Available in convex and concave designs, this iconic piece offers a 180-degree difference in acoustic control and style. Mix and match products, choose from over 30 PET colorways, or custom print your own color, pattern, graphic, or material using Kire ink. If inspiration is what you're after, allow our in-house team of design experts to curate sample palettes and acoustic design layouts. We're ready and eager to assist you in delivering top-notch designs for your clients. And because all Tessellate products are carefully crafted by hand, you can count on precise execution from concept to construction. Using only sustainable materials that inspire a beautiful world.